In chemistry, a symbol is a code for a chemical element. It is usually derived from the modern name of the element, but for some elements it is derived from the name in Latin. For example, He is the symbol for helium, Pb for lead, Hg for mercury, W for tungsten. Only the first letter is capitalized. Temporary symbols assigned to newly or not yet synthesized elements use three-letter symbols based on their atomic numbers. For example, Uno was the temporary symbol for hassium, which had the temporary name of unaloxamin. Uo is the symbol for unanoxium with the atomic mass 118. Chemical symbols may be modified by the use of prepended superscripts or subscripts to specify a particular isotope of an atom. Additionally, appended superscripts may be used to indicate the ionization or oxidation state of an element. They are widely used in chemistry, and they have been officially chosen by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. There are also some historical symbols that are no longer officially used. Attached subscripts or superscripts specifying a nucleotide or molecule have the following meanings and positions. The nucleon number is shown in the left superscript position. The proton number may be indicated in the left subscript position. If necessary, a state of ionization or an excited state may be indicated in the right superscript position. In astronomy, non-ionized atomic hydrogen is often known as Hi, and ionized hydrogen as H2. The number of atoms of an element in a molecule or chemical compound is shown in the right subscript position. A radical is indicated by a dot on the right side. In Chinese, each chemical element has a dedicated character, usually created for the purpose. However, Latin symbols are also used, especially in formulas. A list of current, dated, as well as proposed and historical signs and symbols is included here with its signification. Also given is each element's atomic number, atomic weight or the atomic mass of the most stable isotope, group and period numbers on the periodic table, and etymology of the symbol. Symbols. Antimatter atoms are denoted by a bar above the symbol for their matter counterpart, so e.g., H is the symbol for antihydrogen. Symbols not currently used. The following is a list of symbols formerly used or suggested for elements, including symbols for placeholder names and names given by discredited claimants for discovery. Pictographic symbols. The following is a list of pictographic symbols employed to symbolize elements known since ancient times. Not included in this list are symbolic representations of substances previously called elements which are known today to be multi-atomic. Also not included are symbolic representations currently used for elements in other languages such as the Chinese characters for elements. Modern alphabetic notation was introduced in 1814 by Johannes Jacob Berzelius. Symbols for named isotopes. The following is a list of isotopes of elements given in the previous tables which have been designated unique symbols. By this it is meant that a comprehensive list of current systematic symbols are not included in the list and can instead be found in the isotope index chart. The symbols for the named isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium are still in use today. Heavy water and other deuterated solvents are commonly used in chemistry, and it is convenient to use a single character rather than a symbol with a subscript in these cases. The practice also continues with tritium compounds. When the name of the solvent is given, a lowercase d is sometimes used. For example, D6-benzene and C6D6 can be used instead of 2H6, C6H6. The symbols for isotopes of elements other than hydrogen are no longer in use within the scientific community. Many of these symbols were designated during the early years of radiochemistry, and several isotopes bear placeholder names using the early naming system devised by Ernest Rutherford. Other symbols. General. E, any element. M, metal, any metal atom. Mu, muonium. Ps, positronium. Saint, steel. X, halogen, any halogen atom. From organic chemistry. Ac, acetal, adamantal, alkyl, aryl, benzyl, butyl, benzoyl, cyclopentadienyl, cyclohexyl, ethyl, isopropyl, methyl, mesyl, mesyl, neopentyl, phenyl, propyl, radical, some unspecified element or radical, tert-butyl, triflyl, trityl, tosyl. From inorganic chemistry, albite, didymium, rare earth metal that proved to be a mixture of the elements praseodymium and neodymium. Dicipium, rare earth metal that proved to be a mixture of the elements samarium, neodymium and praseodymium. Philippium, rare earth metal that proved to be a mixture of the elements holmium and samarium.